Welcome to our channel. Today we how to turn off read receipts on WhatsApp privacy settings step by step clearly.
Open WhatsApp on your phone. Make sure you are on the main screen where you see your chats. On Android, tap the three dots in the top right corner. On iPhone, tap Settings in the bottom right corner. In the menu, tap Settings if you are on Android. Inside Settings, tap Account.
On the account page, tap Privacy.
Look for the option called Read Receipts. Understand that read receipts control the blue check marks in chats.
Note that turning this off affects one-to-one chats only.
Remember that in group chats, read receipts may still appear. Tap the Read Receipts toggle to turn it off.
Confirm that the toggle changes color or position to show it is disabled.
Go back to your chat list to continue using WhatsApp normally. Test it by sending a message to a friend in a one-to-one chat. Ask your friend to check that they do not see blue check marks when you read it. Also notice that you will not see blue check marks for their messages either. If you want to turn it back on later, return to Settings again. Tap Account again when you are in Settings.
Tap Privacy again to open the same privacy controls.
Find Read Receipts again on the Privacy page. Tap the toggle to enable it whenever you prefer. For extra privacy, review last seen and online settings in the same section. Adjust profile photo visibility if you want fewer people to see it. Adjust about visibility to control who can read your status text. Consider turning off status updates privacy for people you do not know well. Exit settings and keep chatting with the privacy level you chose.
If you cannot find the option, update WhatsApp from your App Store and try again. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.